Our next presenter is Damon Hernandez. He's a student member from San Francisco.
Hello everyone, my name is Damon Hernandez. I work with an organization of other students and professionals that collaborate called Web3d Students. I won't go too much into that, but just to let you know, we are a group of industry professionals. As more and more tools come out, like X3D Edit we saw, Vivity Studios and things like that, that do make X3D a little bit easier to make for those that are new to the field. We are building some very interesting applications and examples that I will show to you today. Real quick history for anyone who hasn't been familiar with the internet is the internet has made a great change we've seen. Right now we're caught kind of in an area where we're seeing a boom of virtual worlds, a lot of standalone closed gardens that are really desperately needing interoperability. A lot of things that X3D provides a good foundation for. Mix that with the Web 2.0 that's coming, and we're going toward a direction of kind of Web3D. And what we're seeing is that the open 3D web is actually emerging. Different companies, as stated, like Vivity, Exit Reality, Fraunhofer, and a whole lot of others are bringing applications to us. These are examples. This is something you might want to note, Anina. Yeah, right? All right. Besides that, in the top left corner, we have some applications. For Mexico, we did an interactive periodic table to where you could click and see the different elements and get more information about them. We had 3DNA. Going across the top there, we had an English language and Spanish application that was developed with us with Cube 3, Larry Rosenthal. And as it goes around, other things that students have developed. In the bottom left, we have over in the building industry right now, is looking at ways of using X3D for computer-aided manufacturing and CNC, a way of visualization. We're seeing different applications coming up that will allow people to access more product information, have overlays of structural wiring and things like that, all within one house. Going through that, over near collaboration, the screenshot there is from a group called Architecture for Humanity. This is an organization that's set up for sustainable green building. They're looking at using X3D as a collaborative application area for architects, and since they are a nonprofit, an X3D open standard being royalty-free is a great way to do this. We have, of course, a lot of the things that you will see with X3D Earth, as well as games. So the web is starting to turn 3D. It's already there. It's just a matter of getting everyone to kind of realize that there is connection, and X3D is that. But where is all this going beyond this? I've heard a lot of people here talk about, and just in the industry at all, that the web is going to go 3D. And whether or not X3D is the thing that does it, or if it's Second Life or whatnot, it's still kind of up for debate. But what we're seeing is that the web is not just about 3D. It is converging with these other technologies and these other domains to where it isn't going to be about a 3D web. It is going to be about a mixed reality event that is going to happen. We are seeing with, like what Fraunhofer is doing, the things with augmented reality, CAM as stated, GIS, BIM, building information models, and more. And all of this is pretty much bringing us to an experience of mixed realities. One to where information is going to be geo-referenced and tagged. The 3D world is going to be overlaid on top of the virtual. We're already starting to see with applications like Google made with Android that augmented reality is coming along. Projects like what Intel is working on is going to allow the graphic fidelity of handheld applications and things like that increase. So the 3D web isn't just going to be a 3D web. It's going to be an actual mixed experience that will allow us to access unlimited information, both 3D and 2D, giving not only the personalization of the 3D web, but also the application of real world. And I will keep it short there, so thank you very much.